Roxtec UG seals and knockout sleeves have become very popular. They are used for pre-sealing and protecting against constant water pressure and ensure the site is dry during and after construction, as well as before and after cable and pipe routing and sealing installation. To meet additional demands, Roxtec now adds the new Roxtec UG seals and sleeves with larger diameters to the range of products for underground use.
Here are our new products. They make it easy to seal entries for larger cables, pipes and conduits. First, I want to show you our Roxtec H3 250 UG seal and its knockout sleeve.
The Roxtec H3 250 UG seal and its corresponding knockout sleeve, KOS 250, meet the increasing use of cables with larger diameter aluminum conductors.
Then we have the Roxtec H8 298 UG seal and its knockout sleeve. It is ideal for fiber cables.
The Roxtec H8 298 UG seal and its corresponding knockout sleeve, KOS 298, meet the demands for higher capacity in the rapidly growing data center industry. You can use these products to seal 8 tubes from 60 to 64 mm in just one 300 mm opening, instead of sealing 8 individual 100 mm ducts, which would require larger concrete chambers. The sleeve can be delivered pre-cast in a concrete chamber and either be used for a seal or for future cable routing.
Our knockout sleeves ensures tightness until it's time to route and seal the cables and pipes. They keep sites dry during and after construction and provides spare capacity. To enable increased use, we have developed these adapters for our knockout sleeves.
The new Roxtec knockout sleeve adapters increase the depth and space of the sleeves in sizes 100, 150 and 200. They also enable addition of a connecting corrugated pipe. The adapters have a mechanical lock with screw to eliminate the risk of them sliding out. The adapters can be cast into concrete or attached when the cast concrete has hardened around the sleeve. After casting, the connection interface remains visible and easily accessible.
It's a pleasure for me as a global product manager at Roxtec to be able to present all these new sealing solutions, especially as we have developed them in line with new demands.
Please contact Roxtec if you need help in selecting the right sealing solution for preventing water, corrosion or partial discharge activity.
I invite you to read more on roxtec.com.